How to manage credit cards in YNAB. First of all, open the YNAB app on your device and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the plan option from the bottom bar. Here you will see all your accounts including any linked credit cards. To manage a credit card, start by reviewing the current balance and recent transactions. Make sure all transactions are correctly categorized to reflect accurate spending in your budget. When you make a payment on your credit card, tap Transaction in the credit card account. Under Pay, select your bank or the source of payment. Then choose the category you use for credit card payments, such as credit card payment or debt payment. Enter the payment amount and date, then tap Save. This ensures your budget remains accurate and shows your available funds correctly. If you are tracking credit card debt, create a category specifically for credit card payments. Budget money into this category each month to pay off your card and avoid overspending. YNAB will automatically adjust your available funds and show how much you need to pay to stay on track. Now you know how to manage credit cards in YNAB. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance and budgeting tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.